In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while examining the smooth love mixture cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or come up short, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 plus 0.09% $0 0033 2023 02 11 plus 0.43% $0 0033 2023 02 12 plus 5.79% $0 0035 2023 02 13 plus 6.53% $0 0035 2023 02 142.96% $0 0032 2023 02 150.53% $0 0033 2023 02 160.36% $0 0033 2023 02 171.79% $0 0032 2023 02 18 plus 1.76% $0 0034 2023 02 190.36% $0 0033 2023 02 203.68% $0 love elixir value expectation 2023 high expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 17.45% $0 0027 2023 APRA 29.85% $0 0023 2023 May 22.47% $0 0026 2023 John 13.36% $0 0029 2023 Joel 6.80% $0 0031 2023 all plus 6.39% $0 0035 2023 SEP plus 8.59% $0 0036 2023 on plus 16.15% $0 0038 2023 na plus 27.21% $0 0042 2023 DEC plus 41.03% $0 0047 2024 Jan plus 50.32% $0.00502024 Feb, plus 56.00% $0 value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will Smooth Cherish Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future. After 2030, could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably hazardous financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise venture? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned advertising procedure, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Cherish Mixture go? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Elixir value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 38.8% change over the ongoing cost, which